First resolution of the Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, held at Bengaluru on 19th and 20th of March 2021, Yugabd 5122. Construction of Mandir at Sri Ram Janmabhoomi, manifestation of the innate strength of Bharat. The unanimous verdict on Sri Ram Janmabhoomi by the Honorable Supreme Court, followed by the formation of a public trust, Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, for the construction of Sri Ram Mandir, the sacred ritual for commencing the Grand Mandir construction, and the Nidhi Samarpan campaign have become a golden page in the history of Bharat that shall inspire generations to come. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha is of the considered opinion that through the aforesaid program, the intrinsic strength of Bharat has been invigorated, and that these programs have become the unique symbols of spiritual awakening, national integration, social harmony, goodwill, and dedication. On Bhadrapad Krishna Dvitiya, Yugabd 5122, that is 5th of August 2020, entire world elatedly stood witness to the hallowed program of the beginning of temple construction in the esteemed presence of the Honorable Prime Minister of Bharat, Pujaniya Sarsanchalak of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, trustees of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, and venerable saints, seers, and dharmacharyas of all sects. The ritual was consecrated with sacred soil from all the pilgrim centers and water from all the holy rivers of Bharat. Keeping in view the regulations during the height of COVID-19 pandemic, the gathering was kept limited in number, but its impact was unlimited. Physical presence was finite, but the entire Hindu society joined the program through virtual media. All the sections of society and political parties too welcomed this event unanimously. Starting with the contribution from the first citizen, Honorable President of Bharat, and from Bhagwan Valmiki Mandir in Delhi, on the auspicious day of Makar Sankranti, this 44-day long Nidhi Samarpan Abhiyan has indeed been the biggest outreach campaign in the history of world. Over 12 crores of Rambhakt families from about 5.5 lakh cities and villages have contributed to the construction of the Grand Mandir. All the sections and sects of the society overwhelmingly participated in this campaign. People from the rural and urban areas, people from the forest and hilly areas, the rich and the ordinary, everyone contributed wholeheartedly to make this campaign a success. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha congratulates all Ram Bhakts for this unparalleled enthusiasm and support. This campaign has proved once again that the entire country is always connected emotively with Sri Ram. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha appeals to all Ram Bhakts, including the social and religious institutions, educationists, and intellectuals of the country, to make meaningful efforts so that Sri Ram's ideals permeate through the society. Along with the construction of the Grand Mandir at Sri Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya, social and national life inspired by the values of Sri Ram will be established through collective resolve and efforts. This will pave the way for building a strong and glorious Bharat, which in turn will ensure the well being of the whole world.